Most interesting facts to know about coffee. Second in the world. Coffee is consumed in such great quantities. It is the world's second largest traded commodity, surpassed only by crude oil. It is our most beloved beverage after water. It's worth well over $100 billion worldwide. Coffee is a fruit. Coffee beans grow on a bush. They are actually the pit of a berry, which makes them a fruit. There are two main varieties of beans, green and red. Red beans have a nicer smell and are less acidic. Subscribe the channel if you did not know this. Coffee was discovered by a goat herder. It was said that coffee was discovered by a goat herder in Ethiopia in the 1500s. He saw his goats eating coffee cherries. Afterwards, he observed a change in their behavior. They gained a high amount of energy and they didn't sleep at night. The herder shared his findings with local monks. After they made their own drink from coffee beans, they realized they could stay up all night and pray. Word spread to other Ethiopian monks and soon after reached all across the civilized world. Coffee helped Olympic athletes. Brazil couldn't afford to send its athletes to Los Angeles for the 1932 Olympics, so the government sent them in a ship full of coffee which was sold on the way to finance their trip. Mecca banned coffee. Coffee was banned in Mecca in 1511, quite soon after its first appearance in Ethiopia. It was believed to stimulate radical thinking and idleness. These are some amazing facts about coffee you probably didn't know. Now subscribe the channel and press bell icon.